Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fashion video for you. I'm going to be sharing my thoughts and review of Matches Fashion. I've been recently shopping on Matches Fashion and I figured I'd come on and share my thoughts on my shopping experience, their selection, pricing, everything. So let's get into the video. So what is Matches Fashion? Try saying that 3 times fast, by the way. But Matches Fashion is an online shopping destination for luxury fashion items. And they have, as the name would suggest, all of the fashion. Matches Fashion has quickly become one of my go-to destinations for online shopping for fashion items. A little bit about Matches Fashion. It's a modern luxury shopping destination for the confident global fashion customer. I'm actually looking on their website now. They have over 650 designers on their site, including the names we all love from Prada, Gucci, Balenciaga, Saint Laurent, and more. They aim to be one of the most personal luxury shopping experiences in the world. So they deliver to 176 countries. They offer 24/7 advice and assistance through their fashion concierge, and they're based out of London. So I picked up 2 items recently from Matches Fashion. I do have a quick haul review to share with you guys so you guys can see how it all comes packaged and everything. But I really love how they mentioned that they aim to provide the personal luxury shopping experience, because I like a question about an order that was placed. They assisted me with my question, addressed it right away, and then followed up with me via email just to confirm that everything was as it should be. And I thought that was really, really excellent. Again, concierge level of customer service. So I really appreciated that in my shopping experience. Their website is super easy to navigate. Like mentioned before, they have so many designers to choose from, and they have so much good stuff on there. As I mentioned, they do ship from London, but I live here in the US. I'm on the East Coast, right outside of New York City. I do like the standard shipping option. I never have expedited my order, but literally I get it within 1 business day. So when I placed this order, it shipped the following morning and then was delivered the next day from London. So that's just to show how quick the shipping is. And again, I'm just using the standard shipping option. I'm not, paying for expedited shipping. I think that's really amazing too, with the quick turnaround for shipping, but yet they, have everything packaged so flawlessly. And I've had such a seamless experience every single time I've shopped. Why don't I share with you guys what I purchased, show you guys the packaging and all, and then I'll come back into some of my shopping experience and pricing and all of that. This is the iconic Matches Fashion packaging. So this is considered their luxury box. When you check out, you have the option to do the eco packaging, which means that your item just arrives in a plain box. The inside of the box still has this beautiful marble look box on the inside, but it's not a separate gift box. This is kind of like a gift box purchase. And again, their website, when you check out, it's called their luxury box packaging. Really nice that they give you the option to select. Some people do not want the extra gift box and packaging, so they can opt for the eco, but it's nice that they give you that option. So this box is a magnetic flip top. There you go. Here's the card, which we'll get into. Here's how the item is packaged. Right on the box, it says Matches Fashion. It says this box is 100% plastic free, made from responsible source materials. Simply remove the integrated magnets to make it recyclable. Or why not reuse the ribbon and box for another gift? Join our sustainable journey at matchesfashion.com/sustainability. So yes, this box does have magnets. It came with this little card envelope. It just says Matches Fashion, and in here again the same design on the inside. This is just my invoice and information for return. The tissue paper is sealed with a sticker and card, and it says your matchesfashion.com order was carefully packed by, and it'll tell you who packed it. They signed it, which again gives you that personal touch that again, I feel like whatever I purchase is being handled with that special attention and care, which is really nice. It says, we hope you enjoy your purchase. If we can be of further assistance or you wish to give us feedback, and it tells you where to contact them. Again, available 24 hours a day. Take my item out. What did I buy? I bought another pair of Birkenstock. If you guys saw my recent review video of my Birkenstocks, if you haven't seen that video, check it out. I kind of do an overview of Birkenstocks as a brand and the shoes that I own so far. I'm getting a little Birkenstock collection going. I picked up a new pair. So these are the Bostons. Just so you guys can see. Video is focused on my experience with Matches Fashion, but of course I want to share with you guys what I got. So I got another pair of Bostons. These are all black leather, are all blacked out, right? They have the black buckle here. Again, this is black leather. It has the black footbed. It says Birkenstock right there on the side. So these are all blacked out. I just thought these were a little more sleek. I really am enjoying my Arizona black sandals. I figured these were more my style. I do like my original Bostons, but I think those are definitely more of a like a knockaround shoe. I feel like these again have more of a sleek look and will be easier for me to style up. These are my Birkenstocks. This is what I purchased from Matches Fashion. And this is a perfect segue to talk about pricing. So one thing I like about Matches Fashion is their pricing is quite competitive. So because they have all of the designers and they're based out of London, when you're looking on the website, I believe you'll see that the prices can be listed in pounds. Obviously, I'm shopping on the US website, but I don't know if it's the prices because of the conversion or what, but it turns out to be a little cheaper, some of the items that I've personally shopped on the website. These Birkenstocks are listed currently on the Birkenstock website for $230. This blacked out leather version. And of course, I'll put the link to these down below. They were listed for, I believe, $175. So that's already from $230, significantly less. And then on top of that, they had a promo code that they had sent me, and I was able to apply that to my order, and I got another discount on top of that. It was kind of like a perfect way to pick these up at a really, really good discount. That's what I love about shopping Matches Fashion. They already have really good pricing, and you can usually get a promotion and all. I will definitely put any promo codes and all that information below if you're interested, or because they have such a wide variety and selection of items, so you may find it there, and then of course be able to take advantage of their amazing pricing. That's what I love. Talked about shipping. The shipping that I opted for is always the free shipping. Even though it's a free shipping, I am getting it super quick. So I do believe they do have the expedited shipping, which is kind of like the guaranteed overnight shipping for an additional cost. But again, what I love about the pricing, it includes your taxes, your duties, your shipping, everything in your sale price of the item. So there aren't any surprises with additional charges down the road, which I love. Matches Fashion has really become one of my favorite places to browse online. Everything about the shopping experience is super, super posh. And I've spoken about this on my channel before. While I used to like to go into boutiques and purchase things in person, like now, obviously I'm doing most of my shopping online. And so finding an online boutique that still gives you that luxury experience, even though you're not going into boutique, it's really great. It's really nice to feel like you're getting a great deal as far as pricing goes, but you're also getting an extraordinary shopping experience. It's just been an overall super pleasant shopping experience, and I'm loving their selection of items, and I'll definitely be continuing shopping with Matches Fashion. So if you guys haven't checked out Matches Fashion but you enjoy luxury shopping, luxury fashion, definitely check out their site. I'll put everything down below for you. Kind of my overview and thoughts of my shopping experience with Matches Fashion. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely go ahead and subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys,